How's it going, everyone? This is mock exam 1 for Fin 320F. So I wrote this mock exam, have 12 questions that are fill-in. We have 3 questions that are essay questions, and I actually added one bonus one. It's always tough to know exactly what a professor is going to ask in terms of essay questions because there are 3 units. I tried to spread it out over all 3 of those units and give, a sample of types of questions that are a little bit extended, that have multiple parts to them, just to get a flavor of how involved some of those essay questions might be. So that is the structure of the exam. So we've got 12 questions that are fill in, and I think that this is going to come a lot from your working words and definitely a little bit of application of the stuff that we've been covering. So you'll see what I mean when we start to work through those. And a lot of that is, again, just going to be reviewing your notes, reviewing my problems that I have in my packets, so that you get a nice flavor of all of the different stuff that we talked about in units 1, 2, and 3. So in addition to that, we've also got those 3 essay questions. And then again, I wrote one bonus just as a little bit of extra. So that is the structure of the exam. Hopefully we know that by now, but wanted to touch on it just in case people have been, snoozing. This class is online, so a lot of people might have been, taking a lot of naps, not really keeping up with the material. So there we go. That's what we can expect. So I've been tutoring finance classes for a very long time. So you are in good hands this semester. This class, not really too bad. And exam 1 is just a little bit weird. So exam 1 is purely conceptual, purely definition type stuff. And then exams 2 and beyond, we have math that gets thrown into the mix, and it does get a little bit tougher. So we do have a mix of definition, conceptual, and math and computations that we have to do starting with exam 2. So for right now, though, we just have to make sure that we are good with all of this conceptual and definition stuff. But when you're doing the exam, make sure that you treat it, like an actual thing. So treat it like the real deal. Give yourself the same amount of time that you're going to have on the actual exam. And then watch these video solutions that I have for all of these problems. And again, the entire idea here is to give you a sense of, a broad sense of the level of difficulty that you're likely to see. So make sure that you know what's going on. Another place that's really great to review is all of your application questions. I have heard in the past that, very similar styles of questions from some of the, especially for the essay questions, to what you see in those applications are, fair game and could absolutely pop up. That has happened in the past. So just make sure you are taking a look at those application question answers as well. Watch these video solutions and then email me if you have any questions whatsoever. So chris@gpafactory.com. Okay, and the last thing that I'll say in this video is I do have, outside of just this mock exam, I do have videos reviewing all of units 1 through 3 that you can check out on our website. So that's just the end here. That's just gpafactory.com. And what I'll do for everyone, just give you a free month. You can try it out. That month should last you into exam 2 as well. So you're basically getting, 2 exams worth of content absolutely free. So just go there, and all you have to do is use this code, which we will say is GroupMe. So use the code GroupMe, get a free month of membership, and you should be good to go there. Okay. So without any more rambling, let's get into the answers here for mock exam 1.